Welcome to today's video with CNIB Smart Life. In this video, we will look at a important yet simple change in your Windows operating system once you have it set up. One of the features that you can do on your computer is delete files and retrieve files. And you can do the same with folders and so on and so forth. When you delete something, it goes into the recycle bin. The recycle bin is like a temporary trash can that you can put things in. At one point, the recycle bin items will be purged and permanently deleted if you delete them from there. Otherwise, you're also able to retrieve them and recover them from the recycle bin if they were deleted by mistake. Now, the recycle bin icon is by default on your desktop, but it has a small feature or option that is not set up by default, and that can be confusing. And that is the delete confirmation dialog. By default, there is no dialog when you are using Windows 10 and Windows 11, which looks like this. If I go to the Documents folder, I'll make sure I'm on the
Windows
desktop,
D,
and then press the letter D,
D, Downloads D, Documents, Enter,
and then
Documents.
I open it. Now I'm going to navigate to the text file that was previously created.
F, Feedback Hub, F, Folder X, F, First Text File .text.
And then from here, if by mistake I press a key, whether it is on purpose that I press the delete key on my keyboard, or I'm trying to press another key and I happen to press the delete key, or if I'm just hovering over it and by mistake end up touching it and it presses it, this is what will happen.
Not selected test2.xlsx.
It didn't say anything, it just said not selected. And now if I'm looking for
Example.
The first text file, I press the letter F.
Feedback Hub, F, Folder Example, F, Feedback Hub.
It's no longer there, which means it's gone. It's been deleted from here and it's been put in the recycle bin. So one way to fix that is to make sure you have a dialog that shows you, hey, you just pressed the delete key. Are you sure you want to do that? In order to do this,
Windows
we will
D,
go ahead and go to the desktop and then press the letter R.
Folder View List View, Recycle Bin.
Once we find recycle bin, we want to access the properties. To access the properties, you'll perform a Shift F10 command to open the context menu.
Shift F10, context menu.
And then up arrow to properties.
Rename F2, show more, properties Alt plus and Enter.
And then press Enter. Now that the dialog box for the properties is open, I will press Tab.
Settings for selected, display delete confirmation dialog checkbox not checked.
I hear display delete confirmation dialog box and it said checkbox not checked. Again, this is the default setup for all Windows computers, Windows 10 and 11, and you'll have to come in here to change that. So here I want to check it. I'll press this space bar.
Checked.
And now it's checked. Now I'll press Tab until I hear OK
button.
And press Enter.
Enter. OBS Studio.
From here on, if I decide to delete something or by mistake press on the delete button, what will happen is
Windows D.
I'll press the D.
Downloads D. Document. Enter. Documents.
I went back to Documents and let's find another file that we might be able to delete.
OBS Documents. Navigate. Details list box.
And it's not reading.
Alt F4.
So
Windows D. Download D. Enter. Documents. Download Excel Feedback Hub. Folder examples.
So let's say
example.xlsx.
I'm going to try to delete example.xls, which is a Excel file.
Date modify. Type. Microsoft Excel worksheet.
It's an Excel worksheet, so it's a workbook, and that can be deleted.
Date
so I'll go
example.x
to it and then press the delete key here.
Delete file dialog. Are you sure you want to move this file to the recycle bin? Are you sure you want to move this file to the recycle bin? Example.xlsx. Type Microsoft Excel worksheet authors CNIB size 6.04 kilobytes date modified 2024-04-10 a.m. Yes button.
So here it told me enough detail about this file so I know what was attempted to be deleted. So it's by default on the yes button. If I press enter, it will delete it. If I press tab,
No button. To
I can
activate
press no using enter, or I can also simply press
escape. Documents.
And that dialog is closed. Again, if I want to delete it, I'll go ahead and press delete.
Delete file dialog.
And then if I press enter,
documents.
It's gone now. So if I press the letter E here,
Excel training. 3 of
we shouldn't be able to find example.xls. That's it. There's only Excel training, nothing else.
Alt F4.
And then I can close from here and be done. This sums up the process for making that important yet very simple change in the recycle bin so that you receive that confirmation dialog if you try to delete something from your computer. Thank you for watching today's video with CNIB Smart Life.